how to fix your Xbox controller not connecting. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check the batteries. You want to make sure that the batteries are inserted correctly and have charge. You can also try new batteries or a charged rechargeable battery pack. If that is not the case, you can also try to power cycle your Xbox controller by simply pressing and holding the Xbox button on the controller for 10 seconds and then press Xbox button again by waiting for a second. If that is not the case, you want to simply press the pair button on your Xbox front of the controller within 20 seconds, press and hold and pair the button on your controller. If that is not the case, you could also simply go ahead and check your interface, like moving away from wireless routers, microwaves, or other devices that may cause interference. If that is not the case, you can try restarting your controller or your console. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.